Yeah.
Hey Joy, why do these pants still have tags on them?
Yeah. I just threw them on out of my closet.
So, there's a couple of questions getting ready to happen, okay?
I want to see my lawyer.
Yeah, well, they're going to read your rights.
But she
and
ripped
then
this one off.
we have a couple of questions. How about a white sweatshirt?
No.
Are you sure?
Let's watch the video.
Because it was in the top basket of your cart and you carried it in. And I watched you do it. So I don't know why you have to make this decision.
All right, well, you're going to go with us to the jail for theft. We'll get those clothes off of you at the jail.
This footage was recorded on January 30th, 2024, at an unconfirmed retail location. There is a common myth that police can keep questioning someone, even after they ask for a lawyer. That myth is false, and this footage shows exactly why it can cost a case its strongest evidence.
You're placed under arrest for criminal trespass. I barred you from here. I'm not supposed to be back. You know that, right?
I didn't know. I wasn't allowed to go out.
Your right to remain silent. Anything you say can be against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, will be appointed to you. You have the right to have an attorney present that can all questions. You have the right to have an attorney.
Another camera in here.
Yeah, there's clothes all over. We go ahead and issue another trespass form and
Officer Myers is going to search your pockets. Make sure you don't have anything on you.
How many layers you got on?
I mean, it's cold outside and I DoorDash, so, I mean, I have several.
Step away from the bench a little bit for me. Spread your feet for me.
I mean, it's pouring rain outside.
Oh, I get that. You sure you don't have anything on?
Yeah, I have nothing. Maybe something in my front coat pockets. I mean, other than that, I'm too believable.
How many pairs of pants do you have on though? Because I know there's nothing inside.
I have
the pocket.
3.
3?
Yeah. There's nothing on my inside pockets at all.
Little back pockets. You said you have 3 pants on?
Yeah.
I'll get your door. You drive.
Yeah.
Hey Joy, why do these pants still have tags on them?
Yeah. I just threw them on out of my closet.
so there's a couple of questions getting ready to happen, okay?
I want to see my lawyer.
Yeah, well, they're going to read your rights.
But she
and then
ripped this one off.
we have a couple of questions and let's move on with it.
I read your rights already.
The Fifth Amendment protects the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney during custodial interrogation. Under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, officers must read these rights before questioning a suspect in custody. The stricter rule comes from Edwards versus Arizona, decided in 1981. Once a suspect clearly asks for a lawyer, all questioning about the offense must stop immediately. Questioning may only resume if the suspect personally reopens the conversation, never the officer. In this footage, the subject invoked that right, clearly using language courts have consistently upheld as unambiguous. Under Davis versus United States, decided in 1994, A clear request for counsel requires no clarification, only compliance.
You didn't put anything of ours on today? That's not a real definite no.
Want to see my volume?
That'll work. Well, we have to figure out a way to get those pants. And then, give me.
They'll either come off that.
Give me the opportunity to be honest. How about a white sweatshirt?
No.
Are you sure?
Let's watch the video.
Because it was in the top basket of your cart and carried it in. And I watched you do it. So I don't know why you have to make this difficult.
Put that back. I didn't try it on you.
So that stuff's coming back from the jail then? Not here?
We can get it to the jail. Yeah, we'll bring it back.
Just makes everything more difficult and takes longer. But she's in our system because this is the original from that day. Put in the packet for it.
Oh,
That sweatshirt was one that got discarded yesterday, but we didn't do it. It's one that got-
if you just want to put that in the packet,
There's a
that's
white
fine.
sweatshirt underneath that.
All right. Well, you're gonna go with us to the jail for theft. We'll get those clothes off of you at the jail and bring them back up here. So, you ready?
I'll get your receipt when you come back.
All right. Thanks.
Instead, the officer continued asking direct questions about the alleged theft for several more minutes. Not every question after an arrest is off limits, though. Pennsylvania versus Muniz, decided in 1990, allows routine booking questions like medical needs or safety risks. Those questions serve an administrative purpose rather than an investigative one, so they remain lawful even after invocation. The search of the subject's clothing rests on separate legal ground established in United States versus Robinson, decided in 1973. That ruling permits a full search of the person incident to any lawful custodial arrest. So the search stands on solid footing even though the interrogation that followed does not. The officer earns a D+, a lawful arrest and search, paired with a clear post-invocation violation. The subject earns a B-. She invoked her right correctly, then weakened it by continuing to answer questions.
Can you go to the Hickory Street side of the church where we do our training at? Right here, Jordan. There's a guy there waiting on me to get video, but I've obviously been with her, so I can't go. Hickory Street entrance. Wife just called me, said he's there with my video.
Hickory Street, like by the Tabernacle?
The Tabernacle Church, Hickory side entrance. All right, Joy, hop on out there. Straight to the big metal doors there. Right here. Stand right here and face the glass. Joy, do you have any plans to harm yourself or anybody else while you're in jail? Do you have any major mental or medical health issues? Okay. This is Joy Brown.
How are you?
She's wearing several layers of stolen Walmart merchandise underneath the clothes there. She won't come off it and say it's Walmart merchandise, but I'm going to take it back and make sure. So it's still got tags on it.
The lesson for citizens is simple. Invoking the right to counsel only works if silence follows the words. The lesson for officers is equally direct. Once counsel is requested, questioning stops until counsel arrives. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more analysis of police and court interactions.